Good morning, guys. This is actually a chicken skin. We're gonna make chicharron because today we're gonna make palabok and we're using chicken skin instead of regular pork rind. Alright, we're just gonna let this boil. And also, guys, we're using chicken for meat today for our palabok. This is dark meat, which is the thigh. I have 2 pieces here, so we're gonna put it in the food processor to create a ground chicken. Okay, guys, let's start processing our chicken to make a ground chicken. We're just making about 2 or 3 serving palabok today. There you go, guys. This is the consistency that I want for my ground chicken. Okay. As you can see, our chicken skin is now boiling. So what we're gonna want to happen is make sure the water evaporates, and after that, when it evaporates, the oil from the chicken skin start to come out. So that's when the process of making the chicharron. Okay. So just let it boil until leave it in the pan until the water evaporates. Alright, guys, as you can see, there's no more water. So everything is boiling now. Listen to the boiling now. I'm just going to lower the temperature. It wasn't high, now it's in medium high. Okay, guys. Until the skin becomes crispy. Guys, our chicharron is about ready. Three for more minutes. Okay, let it cool down. So we're gonna use the oil, chicken oil, to fry our garlic. This is also for the toppings, garlic toppings. Very smoky. This one you have to watch the garlic because it's gonna burn really fast. Okay? Okay, the garlic is ready. It's brown. Take it out. I'll put it next to the chicken skin. And we're gonna start making our sauce. Alright, guys, let's start. So we're gonna use the oil from the chicken skin. We need 1, 2, or 3 tablespoons. We're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna saute our sauce, just garlic, onion, and this is, by the way, a smoked herring. I bought it at the Asian store, Korean store particularly. Sometimes they put it in a ready-made or fresh seafood, or sometimes they put it in a frozen section. It's pretty good. It's close to tinapa, galunggong or goldfish tinapa. It's no different. Okay. We're gonna put our onion. We're gonna be a little bit of twist on our palabok sauce today, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, our onion, garlic and onion is ready. Let's put the chicken, ground chicken that we just ground from chicken thigh, or you can use pork. Alright. The chicken. Okay guys, cook the chicken until it becomes turn to white. So that's the indication that the chicken is cooked. Okay. We're gonna season it with black pepper. I'm not gonna put salt yet because we're gonna put the salted herring, and we're gonna put patis. Continue cooking the chicken, guys. Give it about 3 more minutes. 2-3 minutes. Now, guys, the chicken is turned to all white in color. So we're gonna put our smoked herring, or if you have tinapa, galunggong tinapa, or the non-stick tinapa. I can smell it already. Actually, I'm gonna put the fish is actually putting a thin mushroom. And it's time to put our powder annatto powder, or you can buy the seeds too. Just soak it in warm water. 2 tablespoons. Put water in this can. I think we need another one. So basically the the cream of mushroom is actually the thickening agent instead of putting cornstarch. Or if you want it a little bit thicker than this, of course, just add a little bit of cornstarch. But not the cornstarch will be the main thickening agent for our palabok sauce. We need black pepper, white pepper, and another tablespoon. And also putting the cream of mushroom, it actually level up the flavor, don't you think? It's actually look at this. That's about 2 tablespoons of this. So just let it simmer, guys, and taste it and adjust the flavor. Guys, I'm gonna put some chicken bouillon. It's optional. If you don't want to put chicken bouillon, just leave it. That's it, guys. I don't think I'm gonna put. I don't think I have to put a cornstarch. I think I'm happy. I'm happy with the thickness. Just let it simmer. Uh-oh, what is that? Yum! Cornstarch stick. We're putting 16 ounces, so 2 of that, so it should be like 8 ounces. Actually good for like 2 servings or 3. Time to assemble our palabok, guys. I'm heating up our sauce. So there's our meat, our sauce. I'm gonna put some egg. We're gonna put our chicharron, chicken skin chicharron. Our green onion. Our garlic, toasted garlic. And a lemon on the side. There you go, guys, our finished palabok. Hope you try the recipe, guys. Let me know if you like it. Till next video, guys. Thank you for watching. This is your Misty Home Cooking. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.